Hello everyone and welcome to Coding Cart. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about this function combination with replacement from itertools in Python. So before solving this problem, I will suggest you to go and watch my combination and permutation problems so that it will be quite easier for you to understand because all the three are related to each other. So let me first explain you the syntax over here. The syntax is quite similar to the combination and permutation here. Here we have combination, permutation, and the third one is combination with replacement, and it is also taking two parameters x and y, in which x denote the same thing, iterables, and y also denote the same thing, the length. Only one difference here is in combination with replacement we have only one difference. For example, we are taking the input 1 2 3 4 5. This is my iterable and my length is 2. So in this combination with replacement we have only one thing extra than the combination, which is here, this combination with replacement allows the individual element to be repeated more than once. So, if we have to find the total combination with the length of 2, then we can take the individual element also in the combination. Like this was not in the combination, but in combination with replacement, we can take the individual element also. So, this value, this value, this value 4 comma 4 and 5 comma 5, this value will be the extra value in combination with replacement. And in combination, if you see here, we have this output, this total output in combination. This was my output for the combination for the length 2 for the same output, and here we have added this extra value, this one. So this will be combination with replacement. Only one difference here, individual is also taking part in forming the combination. This is the only difference. So let me explain each and everything over here. So these were the combination and permutation problem solution. So this solution is also quite similar, but let me explain you few things over here. So here we have to import. Let us copy this line. Here we have to import from itertools. We have to import combination with replacement. Previously we were importing combination permutation. Here we have to import combination with replacement. Now let me show you example over here. Suppose we have s equal to 1 2 3 4 and 5, and my length is suppose 2. So let me print the value directly and show you. Print combination with replacement. Let us pass the iterable s and the length 2. So when we execute this one, it will simply give a object type. So let us first convert this into a list type to get the correct output. Now let me execute this one. So you can see here, so it is giving the total combination with replacement value, in which the individual are also taking part in forming the combination. You can see 1 1, there we have 2 2, also we will have here 3 3 as well, 5 5 and 4 4. So these are the extra value other than the combination. Now let me explain you the same thing for the combination. Suppose, let me copy this one, let me copy the whole thing, and I will explain you the difference with the combination. So here we have combination, and here also combination, the same thing. Let us see the output. You can see this is the output for the combination and this is for the combination with replacement. Let us make few changes over here. Let us save this in x equal to and this value in y. Suppose y equal to, now if I do the difference between x and y, so it will simply return the single value which are taking part in the combination. So let me show you that. Let me print, let us print. So we have to do the difference. So let us first convert into set of x minus set of y, because we cannot directly subtract two lists. Now let us execute from the top so that x and y values are updated. Now control is in this line. Now let me execute this one. Now when I executed, you can see here we have got only the individual value which were taking part in the combination, like 2 2 4 4 3 3 1 1 and 5 5. So I hope you understood what actually this combination with replacement have difference from this combination. Now let us write the code for the given problem here. So let us solve this problem. So you can see here the input is quite similar to the combination. So let us solve this problem. So here the input is similar to the combination and permutation problem. So they will pass the string and the length value n. Now we have to just print the total combination with replacement value in sorted order. So we have already written the code. So I suggest you to please go and visit those videos so that it will be easier for you to understand. Let me copy this code and let us paste here. Now here we have to use combination with replacement. Next is we have to take the sample input and we have to split so that we will get the string and the number. So we have to pass this string in sorted order in this combination so that it will give the desired output in the sorted order. So we are taking the input. So we are sorting the string before passing into this combination with replacement. And the second one is s of 1, which is the length. So we are converting that into the integer type. So we are done. Now let me explain you this thing. Here we are using combination with replacement in which we are passing the iterable and the number. So this will find the total combination with replacement values. After that we have used, let me explain you here the things line by line. This is the very first thing. It will find the total combination with replacement up to length, which is the number, and this is my iterable. Now after getting the total combination with replacement value, our next target is to convert each value into string type. So for that we have used this map to map that each value into a string type, because we have to print the value output value in the string format. After converting into map, we have to use a list to get the proper output, otherwise it will simply print the object. After converting into list, we have to print the list value, only the list value, not the bracket values and all. So we have used here unpack operator. You can see this solution, my solution. I have explained everything in detail while explaining this combination problem. And after this, we have to print everything in a separate line one by one. So this will be the last thing. So maybe I can explain you this one more line. Suppose we are not using unpack operator, then what will happen? So let me print this one and show you first why we are using this unpack operator. So let us execute this one. My input is hack and the length is 2. So you can see here it is printing the correct output, but it is printing in a bracket, this list bracket. That's why we have used this unpack operator to get only the values. We have used this unpack operator to get only the values. Now if you see here, if I execute this, you can see here it is only giving the value and each values are printed in a single line. So I hope we are done. So I hope you understood each and everything over here. So let us copy this one and execute here. Let us run this code. You can see here it is passing the sample test case. Let me submit this code. So congratulations, we are done with all the hidden test cases. So all the three problems, combination, permutation and combination with replacement, were related with each other. So if you have learned something new, please do like our videos and subscribe to our channel Coding Cart and stay tuned for the next videos. Thanks for watching.